Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and today I'm actually going to go through the bargain bead box called Spring Blossoms, which was, I believe, April of 2023. So as I mentioned in a previous video, I've been out of town for a couple of months and I came home to several packages, and this happened to be one of them. So let's look and see what's in here. Of course, they always come with an organza bag. And let's see. Let me dig around here. I'm doing this a little different than I normally do. Number one. This looks like a 10 millimeter, 7.5 inch strand pink aventurine. Aren't those pretty? They kind of remind me of rose quartz, but they're a pink aventurine. I've seen rose quartz similar to this that's brushed, but they're more of a peachy, I guess, than a pink. All right, let's see if I can find number two here. There's three, there's four. Here's two. Oh, this looks like peridot. Yep, that's what it is. That's my birthstone. 15-inch strand of peridot gemstone chip beads. I like chip beads. When I first started making jewelry, I used a lot of chip beads, and I've always really liked them. I like the texture that they give off. All right, so that was number two. Number three. Oh, those look cool. Number three. These are 14-inch strands, 3x5 millimeter faceted rondelle beads, pastel mix. So crystal. So they're just crystals. Those are really pretty. I don't think that it's coming off as beautiful as they are. I see pinks, like a peachy pink, some green, very light green, and the blue. Even though these are crystals, they remind me kind of Amazonite color. Those are really pretty. Of course, Amazonite is a type of crystal, but I think these are probably just quartz crystal. This is crystal faceted. So I don't know what kind of crystals, but those are really pretty. And, okay, so number four. I wonder if these are rose quartz. Nope, these are glass. 14.5 inch strand, 6 millimeter frosted glass beads, pink ombre gold. Oh, okay. When you really look closely in there, they have little gold specks. Yeah, and these are definitely, they're not natural gemstones. You can really tell the difference in the feel. In fact, they almost don't even feel like glass, but they're saying they're glass. Okay, so that was four. Number five. Maybe this is rose quartz. Yep, this is rose quartz. I love the colors here. This is 8 millimeter rose quartz round beads, and they say they're dyed. So rose quartz is kind of pink, but I guess these aren't as pink as they would be naturally. So they are dyed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number 6. All right, I've got this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's number 6? Oh, hiding. I think this is number 6. Yeah, this is a lampwork bead. 24x5 millimeter handmade lampwork glass pink flower bead. Ooh, look at that. Looks like the hole is in the middle. Oh, that's so pretty. Put that in the middle. Number 7. I'm not going to get these out. They're They look to be, let's see, 4-piece, 15 by 10 millimeter, 24 karat gold plated stainless steel lever back ear wires made of hypoallergenic stainless steel. By the way, the approximate total of this particular grouping of things for this month is $73. Okay, so, and I'm not going to get this out either. This is just some chain. It's a meter of 2.5 millimeter 18 karat gold plated stainless steel jewelry chain. Again, hypoallergenic stainless steel. So that was 8. Now we're 9. And these are 20-piece 6 millimeter synthetic hematite leaf beads, man-made. Hematite? Interesting. They're just gold. Synthetic hematite, golden. Okay. I'm not really understanding that. To me, hematite, even though this is synthetic, hematite is a black bead. But these are pretty. So now we're looking at number 10. This is a 2-piece 14 millimeter rose quartz carved rose beads. Rose beads. So they are natural rose quartz. See how much lighter these are than the beads? Okay, number 11, we got a whole bunch of spacer beads here. 10 grams, 5.5 by 2 millimeter corrugated rondelle gold spacer beads. And they're lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free, and they're made of a gold-finished pewter alloy. And they're not really, they kind of look like daisy spacers. I don't know if I would consider them daisy spacers, it's because they're kind of puffed. Maybe like a puffed daisy spacer. But there's quite a few in there. Number 12, 30-piece 6 millimeter leaf bead caps. Lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free, and made of gold finished pewter alloy also. I have to say, I'm not a fan of the gold. I never am a fan of the gold. This is probably, I'll probably mix my metals. Okay, so that was number 12. 13, oh, these are pretty. Now, I just said I wasn't a fan of the gold, but these are gorgeous. And I do like them in the gold. I wonder if they'll turn. Oh, these are beautiful. Absolutely love these. So these are a 2-piece 20 by 21 millimeter flower and bee enameled wreath charms made of gold finished pewter alloy. You know, there's a loop on the very top there. These would be so easy just to put on an ear wire and you're good to go. Oh, our favorite so far, this flower and these two right here are my favorites. Okay, number 14. 2-piece 58 by 15 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass 5-flower articulated links. Now those are cool. And again, got 2 of them. That would be so easy just to make into a pair of earrings. Now the hoop here is a little opened, so I hope that when I squeeze that shut, it won't break. This one, yeah, it's a little opened also. Oh, those are really pretty. All right, number 15. Looks like we have some toggle clasps. They're 18 karat gold plated, 2 sets. They look like vines or maybe some branches. 30.5 by 22 millimeter 18 karat gold plated toggle clasps. Again, made of gold finished pewter alloy. Put those back in there. Number 16. This looks like some more peridot. I wonder if it really is. Yep. 5-inch strand of 5-inch strand of 3.5 millimeter peridot micro-faceted round beads. I remember when I was younger, I really didn't like peridot, but I really like it now. And it's not cheap, just saying. And then the last thing we have here is a 35 by 31 millimeter rose quartz faceted. Is it faceted? It says it's faceted round pendant with brass. So this is brass here. Well, I guess it is it's faceted around the edge here. And then it's flat right here. Again, you could just make you a simple necklace to wear. Rose quartz is really good to wear. It's supposed to help with having harmony in your relationships. And it encourages an unconditional love. A lot of people think that rose quartz is more attached to like a romantic love, but it's not. It's attached to all different kinds of love. And rose quartz actually is very popular among new mothers or mothers-to-be. It is supposed to help during pregnancy, and supposedly it's to help protect the unborn baby. Not sure if any of that's true, but it's kind of neat. And I actually really like it. You know, I have a grandbaby coming this month, due at the end of the month. Maybe I should make Mom something. Now that I have all these beautiful things all unboxed, I really need to make something. And I'm debating on whether or not I'm going to make something for my daughter-in-law. She doesn't really wear much jewelry. Let me think about this for a little bit. So I've got it all finished. It was very simple to make. All I did was I took a jump ring, put it through there. I cut the chain to about a 17.5-inch chain, added a lobster claw and a couple of jump rings there, and we have ourselves a very simple necklace. I'd like to thank you for joining me, and I hope you all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, signing out for now. Bye-bye.